Imagine this. A tiny machine, built by humans in the 1970s, is still traveling through space right now. Not orbiting Earth, not inside our solar system. It's out there, in the darkness between stars, completely alone. And long after every city on Earth disappears, long after humanity is gone, Voyager 1 will keep moving for thousands, millions, even trillions of years. But here's the terrifying part. Scientists believe Voyager 1 could outlive Earth itself. Tonight we're going to follow the future journey of humanity's most distant spacecraft, all the way into the next 10 trillion years, from the death of the sun, to the collision of galaxies, to the final age of the universe itself. And somewhere in that endless darkness, Voyager 1 will still be drifting. This is the story of the loneliest object humanity ever created. Voyager 1 launched on September 5, 1977. At the time, nobody expected it to become one of humanity's greatest achievements. It was only supposed to explore the outer planets. That's it. NASA designed Voyager 1 to study Jupiter and Saturn, before eventually going silent forever. But something unexpected happened. The spacecraft survived, and survived, and survived. Voyager 1 used a rare alignment of planets that only happens once every 176 years. This cosmic alignment acted like a giant gravitational slingshot. Jupiter accelerated Voyager, then Saturn accelerated it even more. Instead of staying trapped in the solar system, Voyager 1 was thrown toward interstellar space. Today, it travels at over 61,000 kilometers per hour. That sounds fast, but space is unbelievably huge. Even at that speed, Voyager 1 would need over 40,000 years just to come near another star system. And yet, it keeps going. Inside the spacecraft is something deeply emotional. A golden record, a message from Earth. It contains music, languages, sounds of nature, and greetings from humanity. Basically, we sent a time capsule into eternity. A message from a civilization that may not even exist anymore when someone finally finds it. In 2012, Voyager 1 officially entered interstellar space. That means it crossed the edge of the sun's influence. For the first time in history, a human-made object escaped the bubble surrounding our solar system. Think about that. Everything humanity has ever known exists inside that tiny bubble around the sun. Every human, every war, every empire, every dream. Voyager left all of it behind. The farther it travels, the weaker its signal becomes. Right now, it takes over 22 hours for a message from Voyager 1 to reach Earth. And eventually, communication will end forever. Its nuclear batteries are slowly dying. NASA has already shut down many systems to save power. One day soon, Voyager will go silent. No final goodbye, no dramatic ending, just silence. A dead machine drifting endlessly through space. But its journey will only be beginning. Let's jump forward, hundreds of millions of years into the future. Earth is changing. The sun is slowly getting hotter. Temperatures rise. Oceans begin evaporating. Plants die, then animals. Eventually, Earth becomes a dry, burning wasteland. But Voyager 1 keeps traveling. 1 billion years from now, complex life on Earth may already be impossible. 5 billion years from now, the real nightmare begins. The sun runs out of hydrogen fuel and transforms into a red giant. It expands outward, becoming so enormous it may swallow Mercury, Venus, and possibly Earth itself. Imagine looking at the sky from Earth during those final moments. The sun would fill the heavens, the oceans would boil, the atmosphere would ignite. Everything humanity ever built would disappear forever. Meanwhile, Voyager 1 will be unimaginably far away, still drifting through darkness, completely unaware that its home is gone. And if any alien civilization discovers Voyager someday, Earth may no longer exist at all. In about 40,000 years, Voyager 1 will pass near another star, a star called Gliese 445. But near in space is misleading. It will still be over a light year away. That's trillions of kilometers. Even then, Voyager won't stop. It'll simply continue deeper into the Milky Way. Over millions of years, gravity from stars will slowly alter its path. The spacecraft may orbit the galaxy endlessly, or it could eventually be ejected into intergalactic space forever. And here's something chilling. The chance of Voyager actually hitting anything is almost zero. Space is mostly empty. Voyager could survive for billions, maybe trillions of years without collision, which means humanity accidentally created one of the longest-lasting objects in existence, long after our buildings crumble, long after mountains erode. Voyager may still remain intact, floating silently through eternal night. Around 4.5 billion years from now, something massive happens. The Milky Way collides with the Andromeda galaxy. Entire galaxies crash into each other. Sounds catastrophic, right? But galaxies are mostly empty space, so stars rarely collide directly. Instead, gravity reshapes everything. The night sky would become unbelievable, gigantic rivers of stars stretching across the heavens. Explosions of new star formation, cosmic chaos on a scale impossible to imagine. Somewhere inside this galactic collision, Voyager 1 may still exist, a tiny human artifact drifting among hundreds of billions of stars. By then, humanity could be extinct, or perhaps evolved into something unrecognizable. Maybe our descendants spread across the galaxy, or maybe Earth was the only home we ever had. Voyager would carry the final evidence that humans once existed, a ghost from a forgotten civilization. Now we move far beyond anything humans can truly understand, trillions of years into the future. By this point, star formation begins ending across the universe. Galaxies run out of gas. No new stars are born. The universe slowly grows darker. Existing stars die one by one. White dwarfs cool into black dwarfs. Voyager 1 may still be there, cold, dark, frozen near absolute zero. No sunlight, no planets, no life, just silence. Eventually, even galaxies themselves may decay. Stars get ejected into empty space. Black holes swallow matter slowly over trillions upon trillions of years. And still, Voyager drifts onward, a tiny machine carrying human music through a dead universe. Now we reach the truly terrifying part, the far future of the universe itself. Scientists believe the universe may end in something called heat death. Not an explosion, not fire, just eternal cold. Eventually, stars disappear. Energy spreads out evenly. Nothing meaningful happens anymore. No light, no heat, no life, just darkness, stretching forever. Black holes slowly evaporate through Hawking radiation. Even they eventually disappear. And if Voyager 1 somehow survives this long, it would drift through a universe almost completely empty. No stars, no galaxies, no civilization, only darkness beyond imagination. And yet the golden record would still exist. Human voices floating through the end of time. Think about that. A species that lived for only a tiny moment in cosmic history managed to leave behind a message that could outlive worlds, stars, and galaxies. Voyager 1 is more than a spacecraft. It's proof that humans wanted to be remembered, even knowing we are temporary, even knowing Earth won't last forever. We still reached into the universe and said, we were here, right now, Voyager 1 is over 24 billion kilometers away from Earth, traveling farther every second, silent, alone, and heading toward a future no human will ever see. Maybe one day another civilization will discover it. Maybe nobody ever will. But somewhere in the endless darkness of space, humanity's final message continues its journey forever. If this video made you think differently about space or humanity itself, subscribe to Beyond Earth and join us for more journeys into the unknown. And remember, the universe is far stranger and far lonelier than we can imagine.